The festive season is the perfect time to let your creativity shine, and what better way to do it than with Pink Christmas decor? Pink adds a sense of whimsy, warmth, and sophistication, creating a festive ambience that feels fresh and inviting. Whether you want a soft, romantic touch or a bold and glamorous statement, incorporating pink into your Christmas decor is a trend that continues to grow. By mixing shades of blush, rose, and fuchsia with metallics like gold and silver, you can create a visually stunning and cohesive theme. Let's dive into enchanting ideas to bring pink into every corner of your holiday celebrations and make this Christmas unforgettable. The Christmas tree is the centerpiece of holiday decor, and transforming it with pink creates an eye-catching statement. Start with the right foundation. A white, green, or flocked tree serves as the perfect canvas to highlight pink accents. Begin decorating by selecting ornaments in various textures and styles. Opt for glossy and matte baubles in shades ranging from pastel blush to deep magenta, mixing in glitter-filled designs for added sparkle. Consider adding unconventional elements like silk pink roses, soft feathers, or crystal snowflakes. These touches bring elegance and a personal flair to your tree. If you want a whimsical vibe, include candy-themed ornaments such as pink lollipops, faux cupcakes, or peppermint swirls. For lighting, pink-tinted fairy lights or warm white bulbs with a pink glow create a magical ambience. Ribbons and garlands are essential for layering depth and color. Choose pink velvet or metallic rose gold ribbons to cascade down the tree or weave in between branches. Tinsel or beaded garlands in complementary tones can add extra sparkle. Crown your tree with a stunning topper, such as a star adorned with pink rhinestones, a shimmering angel, or an oversized bow in soft pink satin. Underneath, arrange elegantly wrapped gifts with matching paper, bows, and ribbons to complete the look. If these DIY Christmas wreath ideas inspired your festive creativity, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love adding a personal touch to their holiday decor. Transforming your dining table into a pink wonderland ensures that your holiday meals are as visually delightful as they are delicious. Begin with a tablecloth or runner in a subtle blush tone, or go bold with a deeper rose hue. Layer it with placemats or chargers in metallic gold or silver to enhance the elegance. For dinnerware, white or cream plates with pink accents, such as a rose gold rim or floral designs, create a cohesive look. The centerpiece is a chance to make a bold statement. Opt for a floral arrangement featuring pink poinsettias, roses, and carnations. Add texture with eucalyptus sprigs or frosted pine cones dusted with pink glitter. Incorporate candlelight to enhance the ambience, using pink or white pillar candles in gold holders or glass hurricane vases. Sprinkle faux snow or glitter around the centerpiece to mimic a winter wonderland. For napkins, choose fabrics in soft pink or white, tied with silver or pearl napkin rings. Scatter mini pink ornaments, candy canes, or small snowflake cutouts across the table for a whimsical touch. Don't forget the glassware. Pink-tinted goblets or champagne flutes with gold accents elevate the overall presentation. These thoughtful details ensure your tablescape is a visual and festive treat for your guests. Which DIY wreath are you planning to make this Christmas? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your holiday craft. The magic of pink doesn't have to stay confined to your tree or table, it can flow seamlessly throughout your living spaces. Begin with your sofa and chairs, swapping out regular throw pillows for plush ones in shades of pink. Add blankets with metallic or sequin accents for a cozy yet glamorous touch. Create small, themed vignettes around your living room by placing pink and white candles, faux pink florals, or ceramic Christmas trees on side tables and mantels. Add garlands of pink poinsettias or berry sprigs to your mantelpiece, interwoven with fairy lights or shimmering tinsel. For a more dynamic look, mix in metallic accents like rose gold ornaments or silver pine cones. Stockings are another opportunity to highlight your pink theme. Choose velvet or knitted pink stockings with personalized touches like monograms or beaded embellishments. Add decorative bowls filled with pink and white striped candy canes, pink foil-wrapped chocolates, or frosted cookies. Strategically placed jars of marshmallows or pastel candies add a touch of sweetness to your decor. Lighting enhances the cozy atmosphere, so consider pink fairy lights strung across bookshelves or along window frames. You can even hang paper snowflakes or pink ornaments from the ceiling to create a whimsical and immersive holiday experience. For more DIY projects and Christmas decoration inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're always updated. Why stop at the indoors? Extend the pink theme outdoors for a cohesive and welcoming holiday display. Wrap your porch railing or bushes with pink string lights or ribbons. Incorporate pink bows or ornaments into wreaths and garlands draped across doors and windows. A flocked wreath with pink poinsettias, frosted berries, and gold accents makes a stunning statement piece. For your front yard, consider inflatable decorations like pink snowmen or Santa Claus figures. Line your walkway with luminaries in shades of blush and white, or use pink painted pine cones in clear jars for a rustic touch. Planters filled with pink flowers, greenery, and glittery accents enhance the natural beauty of your outdoor space. If you have a large tree in your yard, hang oversized pink ornaments or strings of pink lights to tie in the theme. A pink doormat with a festive greeting adds the final touch, welcoming guests into your pink winter wonderland. These thoughtful details ensure your outdoor space radiates holiday cheer. Playlist. Check out our DIY Christmas playlist for more creative holiday ideas, from wreaths to decorations that will make your home shine. Pink Christmas decor isn't just a choice, it's a statement of warmth, creativity, and individuality. As the holiday season sweeps in with its charm and cheer, incorporating pink into your decorations allows you to break free from traditional norms and create a space that feels uniquely yours. Whether you've decked your halls with soft blush tones or bold fuchsia accents, the magic of pink brings an unmatched vibrancy to the season. Imagine your guests' faces lighting up as they walk into a home that feels both festive and inviting, with every detail thoughtfully curated to reflect your personality. Pink decor offers endless opportunities for creativity, blending seamlessly with metallics, whites, or even greenery to craft a harmonious yet striking aesthetic. From shimmering tree ornaments to cozy throw pillows and glowing fairy lights, every element plays a part in building a scene straight out of a fairy tale. But pink is more than just a color, it symbolizes joy, love, and the comfort of togetherness. As you gather with loved ones, your pink Christmas decor becomes the backdrop for laughter, storytelling, and cherished memories. It's a canvas for celebration, where traditions meet modern elegance, and the spirit of the season feels alive in every corner of your home. This holiday season, let pink inspire you to think outside the box, embracing bold choices and whimsical designs. It's a reminder that Christmas isn't about sticking to the rules, but about creating moments that feel magical and meaningful. With the glow of pink-tinted lights and the sparkle of glittering ornaments, you can transform your space into a sanctuary of holiday happiness. Take a moment to admire your efforts, from the perfectly adorned tree to the lovingly set table and the cozy, pink-accented living spaces. Each detail reflects the time, thought, and care you've poured into making this season special. Let your home be a haven of peace, beauty, and celebration, where the true spirit of Christmas shines through in every detail. Imagine the joy of sipping hot cocoa under the glow of pink string lights, or the excitement of exchanging gifts surrounded by pastel-hued decorations. Product as seen on video. Ready to start crafting your own wreath? Head to the description for links to all the supplies used in today's video. These are the little moments that make the holiday season unforgettable. The gentle warmth of pink tones offers a refreshing twist to the classic holiday palette, making your home feel modern, yet cozy and inviting. Even the smallest details, like pink ribbons on your gifts or blush-colored stockings hanging on the mantle, add a layer of charm that's impossible to ignore. The beauty of pink is its versatility. It works as a solo star or pairs perfectly with complementary shades like gold, silver, or even icy blues. As you step back and look at the entire setting you've created, you'll realize how much love and creativity have gone into every corner of your home. It's not just about decorating, it's about setting a tone of joy, comfort, and love for everyone who enters. Pink Christmas Decor gives your holiday season a soft, magical glow that stays in the hearts of all who experience it. Let the season inspire you to mix tradition with innovation, balancing the old and the new in perfect harmony. Your Pink Christmas Decor is more than an aesthetic choice, it's an invitation to celebrate the season with a playful yet sophisticated flair. Embrace the joy that comes with seeing your vision come to life and the happiness it brings to those around you. As the festivities unfold, your pink-themed Christmas will become a cherished memory for years to come. Each element will remind you of the time, creativity, and thoughtfulness that went into making this season special.